I remember the day vividly. It was around like 6:30 p.m. and we just kind of saw the sky start to change into some like prettier colors. We all gathered to my backyard, and there's just wires all around, hooking things up, jerry-rigging that. And I just start freestyling. You know, you've got these people over here playing some trumpets. These guys over here handling the percussion. Over here, there's just laughter going on. And so I'm just crafting an environment with the goal of feeling better. And then a song was birthed.